Sorry, hi guys. Today I want to talk about sneezing. Sneezing. How would you respond if somebody sneezes? What would you say? There are two ways to say something in this situation. The first one is bless you. Bless you. Sounds very religion, right? And it is. Very long time ago, people thought that sneezing, it means that you're sick, and if you're sick, it means that there is somewhat evil spirit is in you. So you just need to be blessed, and then everything is going to be fine and you're going to get better. So people said, bless you, bless you. Yeah. And another way is Gesundheit. Gesundheit sounds very German, and it is. This phrase, I would say, people brought from Germany, from German language to English. I mean, those who moved from Germany to America a long time ago, they brought this phrase. And Americans, they took it like it is, literally. And what does it mean? Gesundheit. Basically, it means be healthy. And it sounds much better for some people, so they use this phrase as a response for sneezing. And to be very honest, not the whole America uses this. Mostly North American people like it, and to be very specific, northern eastern part of America. So you can choose your way to say something as a reaction for sneezing, and have fun. Bye bye. See you.